What do you do when the dog groomer loses your dog? Welcome back to another episode, everybody. FireWilley here with you again, and this was not how this weekend was supposed to go. So, Memorial Weekend happened about a week ago, and I haven't really been able to put up any sort of video or anything because we were planning on doing stuff for Memorial Weekend. We were going to go somewhere. Me and Mrs. FireWilley had some plans. We were going to take the dogs with us, and we were going to have just a great time. And that's how season 2 was going to start. Instead, this is how I'm starting season 2. My dog groomer lost my dog. Yeah. Cub decided to go through the fence that was being worked on, and then the dog groomer, who had the door wide open while she was outside smoking a cigarette, Cub decided to run through that too. She then proceeded to run 2 blocks down the road and across the highway. I'm just kind of griping because I think I deserve that. I do. The damn dog groomer lost my dog. How does that happen? So yeah, let's go through the videos that I've been recording throughout the week. I haven't really been in much of a mood to record, so you kind of get what you get. It's been about 3 days now since the last time we physically saw Cub. We see her right there in the middle of the road. Just takes off. Just immediately takes off. At this point, it's about 6 blocks that she goes. And Mrs. FireWilley gets there, and at the 6 block mark is a very, very, very busy intersection. Or not intersection, road. And all we hear is honks, people slamming on their brakes and everything. And I'm still back huffing and puffing. And Mrs. FireWilley ends up having to come all the way back to pick me up. She goes, she ran across the road. I'm like, shit. I put out her blanket, is set out somewhere. One of my used t-shirts is set out in another area to kind of give her smells of familiarity kind of thing, to see if I can draw her back kind of deal. Basically setting up a trap. At each one of those spots is one of her favorite toys, as well as some food. So I don't know, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. And there's been a mixture of heavy rain, and then at some points it's been extremely hot. So there's days where she was probably really, really thirsty, as well as days where she wasn't. You can see over here on the side, like for example, I'll see if I can see it here, right there. There's one of the signs that we've got posted all over the place. And you'll see these all around the area. Now this is like a hospital-ish area, very heavy traffic through here. And I'm just kind of scouring people's, you know, like the front lawns, things like that. It's kind of hard to go around the lines. Another poster there on the right. While you're too busy looking down side streets and alleyways, it can make it very difficult. So has your dog groomer ever lost your dog? Comment down below, let me know if that's ever happened. Have you ever lost a dog? Let me know. What has been your techniques for finding your dogs, if you happen to find them? But yeah, give me a thumbs up if you want me to find Cub. Thumbs down if you don't, I guess. I don't know who that would be, but quick reminder, don't forget to subscribe, by the way. Yeah, all the fun stuff. All right, let's keep driving around. Because I don't want to end this video on a bad note. I'll just let you know that it's been 8 days since we last saw Cub. So here she is. She decided to make her own season 2 premiere. Too bad I didn't strap her onto the GoPro, huh? But she's back. She's back. We got her. So all is well back here in the FireWilley family. Everybody's back together, ready for more exciting adventures. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell them where to hit that subscribe button. We're at, yeah, over there, you think? She's still discombobulated. So yeah, you happy to be back? Yeah, good. All right. Until next time, everybody, I'm FireWilley, of course, with Cub now, and we will see you next time.